I wish I had a drum to play, so I think we should make one together. You'll need
a can, a balloon, scissors, a rubber band, and pencils.
First, you need to make sure that your can has had the top cut off and is empty. You'll need a grown-up to help you with that. Also, ask your grown-up to cut off the top of a balloon, like this. So you just have this part. Then, what we're going to do is stretch the balloon all the way over the top of the can, making sure to be careful of any sharp edges. Just like this. Now we simply wrap our rubber band around twice and there we go, your very own tin can drum. Now all that's left to do is pick up a pencil and play. And do you know what's even better than a drum? Lots of drums! I'm going to play a drum solo. Do you know what another type of beat is? A heartbeat. I played so fast my heart is racing.